Welcome back guys. In this video we're gonna talk about how to buy your first NFT. So as you see here, there's a lot of options like art, collectibles, trending domains, domain names, music, photography, sports. As you see here, there's a lot of NFT collections like Square's, MGDC, a lot of things. The Rebel by House, Vox Studios, Mentor. So we're gonna see this collection named MGDC. As you see here, the items is 3000, the owners is 2000, the floor price is 0.259 Ethereum, and the volume traded is 213. So we're gonna enter to the items. As you see here, 255 items. So it's like bananas. I will enter. You're gonna see here, if you want to make offer to the seller, you're gonna type how much you wanna buy this item. For example, 04 15 or 17 or 20 Ethereum, as you like. So guys, I'm not recommend you this collection. I'm just showing you how to make offer and how to see how this works. If you see here in this activity, you're gonna see how much people buying this item, these items of this collection. Like here we're gonna see $600 equally of 0 points and the time 8 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour ago. So people are buying this. You're gonna see their Twitter to see how many people follow their accounts. Like we see here, here is their profile, 25,000 followers. Nice. Meta Gold Digger Club, their Twitter account. You're gonna see. Oh, nice one. So we're gonna back to our to see how many people are joined their Discord or to see their websites. If you see their Discord, how much people? 28,000 people online. There are a lot of members in this group. So you're gonna enter to their Discord to see the discussions, etc. You're gonna enter to their website to see the metaverse reward program, profile, breed. Nice one. They do a lot of work in this website. So guys, that's wanna share with you in this course, particularly in this video. Thanks for watching. So we're gonna go to OpenSea and explore some for example sports. We're gonna enter to this collection named Rob. Okay, we're gonna enter. I think this player is a famous player in the rugby sports or like that, yeah. So we're gonna, as you see, here's a verified account. The floor price is 2.3 Ethereum. Nice. That's a good amount of money. Oh, as you see, here the cards. $7,000. Nice one. If you wanna bid or make offer for this seller, you're gonna type. You're gonna offer more than 3 Ethereum. You're gonna give him $8,000 or $9,000. As you see here, the first NFT minted a year ago, and the seller Rob Gronsky sell it to Wagme for 1 Ethereum in that time. As you see here, you're gonna see the details. If you wanna buy, you make sure you see the blockchain, the metadata. All these details is important, like levels, properties, and you're gonna read about who is Rob Gronsky. So we're gonna go to his Twitter. You're gonna see his profile. Oh, he has 3 million followers. Nice. I think, as we said, he's a player, a Tampa Bay player. in Florida State, I think. Okay, as you see here, guys, if you want to buy it or make offer, and we don't recommend this. This is as educational purpose. So there is a lot of things if you are to buy domain names or trading cards or anything you want to see in music. I'm gonna introduce the music. If you want to see, you want to buy a music NFT of your favorite singer.